Noble Celts, also called siege chess, how to play. The rules are the same as regular chess except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Lay out the playing mat. Each space is considered orthogonally adjacent to the next space above, below, right, and left of it. Spaces are diagonally connected by following the ropes. Place a light queen on a light space in the innermost ring and the dark queen directly opposite it on a dark square in the outermost ring. Then, clockwise from there, set up king, bishop, knight, rook, rook, knight, bishop. Place matching pawns in front of those pieces. Diagonal movement must go in a single direction towards the inside or outside of the board. You cannot change mid-move. Vertical movement goes up and down a column of spaces. Horizontal movement goes around the ring of spaces. You are not allowed to perform an infinite move nor stop on the same space you started on. The middle circle is not a space, and you cannot pass through it. En passant is allowed like normal. You may castle like normal by moving your king 2 spaces towards either rook, then move the rook to the other side. You are also allowed to castle with either rook in either direction, giving you 4 possibilities for castling. You are not allowed to move a piece to the space you just moved it from in the previous turn. If this is your only legal move, then you forfeit the game. The first player to checkmate their opponent wins.